Hey guys, it's me, Xavier, and
Annalise.
So we're back with a new video, even though we haven't posted any videos.
This is our
first
new DIY.
Yeah. So we're gonna teach you guys how to make gummy bear slime. We have
edible gummy bear slime.
Yeah. We have our ingredients right here.
Wait, I'm gonna put it to the side so they could see us too.
Yeah.
And I'll pass them to you.
Or I should just pass them to you because you have more space on your side.
Okay. So, if you want to try this, wait, that's making a lot of noise. Okay, what you need is gummies, big thing of gummies, cornstarch, and powdered sugar.
Advice: do not leave gummy bears in the microwave more than 10 to 12 seconds. It will overburn, and make sure you have parent supervision.
Yes, so that you could be safe. And so these are our cautions. So they're gonna be hot. That's our first caution, and our second caution is don't overheat them.
Yeah. So we're gonna start off by pouring some gummy bears in our bowl.
I'm picking green and clear.
I'm picking red.
Just red?
Red and orange. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy with this.
Don't put a lot though. That's a lot!
Leave my gummies alone.
Okay, I'm just gonna...
I'm gonna eat whatever she chose.
Stop. I'm not doing this.
Whatever she chose, I ate. Because she said she wanted that color.
Didn't. Hey, you got more than me.
Hey!
No more. Okay.
Really?
So, wait, because we only have a little bit more gummy bears.
I know. That's why I want to put it. No, you have more than me.
No, you don't. I mean, no, I don't.
Alright. So, right now we're going to go put these in the microwave for 10 to 12 seconds, and we'll be back. Hey guys, we're back, and we got our stuff melted. I'm going to go get some.
I'm going to mix mine up to see what color it makes for one.
I'm back.
Whoa.
I'm going to do the same thing my sister did.
So I just mixed mine and it came out so good already.
Mine looks like fire.
So I will be right back.
And it smells so good.
Whoa, his is like a good red. Mine is like a purplish red.
Remember kids, do not touch this. Hey, I blew a bubble. Okay, so we're back.
So now I'm gonna add some
cornstarch.
And a little bit at a time, guys, because we don't want to make it too, rough. We want to make it fluffy and nice. Not hot,
but delicious.
Nice. So I just added a little bit of that.
I'm gonna add some. Yeah.
Mix it up. Whoa. This is actually cool.
Hint. Hint pot.
I do not know what was.
Boom.
Alright, now I'm gonna add some
lemon whiskey.
Cornstarch. So if you guys are gonna if you guys want to spit, I don't know how to say it,
I do not know how
exactly
to do this.
how much to put in. We just.
I put in too much.
You did?
Yeah, look at this.
Okay. Wow.
I feel like I want to start all over.
Really?
Yeah, I feel like I want to.
No.
Now I'm going to add some powdered sugar into mine.
I don't think you need powdered sugar, buddy.
Why? It's too powdery?
Yeah.
I'm only adding a tad, which means the whole bag!
No. Trying to give me a heart attack?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Let me add you.
I'm going to go on.
And guys, trust me, I bet you it'll be delicious.
Xavier, can you pour some cornstarch on my hand so I could dig in?
Oh, mine is so hot.
I need that.
Adobo.
Adobo.
Now, if I go melted one more time, I think it'll come out great. Hold up, I need some
You
more cornstarch.
do.
No, it's actually coming out great right now.
Hot. Hot.
Told you, let it cool down.
Hot.
Parent supervision, kids.
Hot. Seriously, like, really, really,
Ah.
really.
It's powder.
I need more cornstarch. Oh, nope. I need more, powdered sugar.
I'm gonna do it.
Sorry, that was my sister in the background. Don't pour a lot. Don't pour a lot. Don't pour a lot. Don't pour a lot.
That's it.
Don't. Did I say that's it? Okay. Okay, that's it. Seriously, guys, I think this is weird because of the. I'm playing with it with my hands, and I'm like.
I'm not.
This at
Not
the end.
yet.
So I'm going to take it off my hands. It's really rough because it's like
Ooh, it's
melted
hot.
gummy. Yours came out cool.
Look at this.
All right, I need more cornstarch.
Woo! Corny. Cornstarch.
Can't work with it anymore.
Really corny.
It's like melting.
Yeah, the heat makes it melty. It's too hot. And after, I think I'm gonna try a new thing. I'm gonna add it into the freezer.
So we'll be back when we finish. So
We'll be back.
I have to wash my hands. So now I'm trying to figure out how to fix this. Can I feel yours?
No, leave mine alone.
Whoa,
No.
his film's yours is easy.
Put that to the side. Ooh, that's so good. And it's warm. It's like a night pillow, a warming pillow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let me add some cornstarch.
So,
Some cornstarch.
I think mine is coming together, guys, and it looks so cool.
Bah!
Like,
Cornstarch.
so when you
I'm gonna rub mine
try
around.
this, when you guys try this, well, if you guys decide to try this, I suggest you guys don't put your hands in until it's like
You're sure.
this, because until you're sure it won't stick to your hands, because when I did it, it was really sticky.
Mine isn't.
And
Now I'm gonna rub this around. And some cornstarch.
I couldn't take it off my hands. I had to wash it.
I can see the powder.
Whoa. Oh, it's on my new pants. I'll clean it later.
Get some-
So it's kind of tough, but I think when...
I need a lot of cornstarch for mine.
I think I should add powdered sugar.
Okay, so hints up, don't use a lot of gummies. Use 2 or 3. That's what they probably did.
No. Use 5.
At least.
If you don't want to waste all your gummies. Do 5.
Oh, so warm.
So we're gonna... So you guys are finishing touches when we're done.
I got a mustache.
So...
Hey, what's I do? What's that?
Okay.
Hot. My mustache hurt.
Okay. So I'll be back.
No, no,